Good morning. How are you,
Sorry,
Preeti? How
good,
are you,
I,
Punam?
Good
hi, good
evening.
evening, good evenings. I forget it. Same thing it's happened with me. Actually, but we can say like when we are meeting first time, so it's called a good morning, right?
Yeah, that's thing I also want to say.
Yeah. So okay. So
Okay.
I think we don't no need to introduce ourselves because we already introduced for our viewers. So that is
Yeah.
about we will deep dive on the topic. What is the topic of the today? Today's topic is the how pollution air pollution, water pollution, and food pollution is becoming poisons in today's world. So we can discuss about that. Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
so now
Okay.
move. We will discuss about the why are air, water, and food poisoning is today's world now are becoming now nowadays food, air, and water become a very poisonous. So how it's affected to ourself and how it's become vast role is taken, so we can discuss about that. So let's move on the Meenakshi ma'am. So what would you say about that? Why are air, water, and food become poisonous in today's world?
Okay. So, as we know, we are living the life here, and everything surrounding us is getting polluted due to the food contamination and due to the air pollution, which is going on in the winter season also. And in the winter season, smog is, we are looking outside, it happening surrounding us, and we are using a mask to save our life from that smog. So this is the main reason, the smoke. It start by the vehicle, the unnecessary increasing the vehicles because we are staying in a family. We people, if we are three people in our life, so most of the family, every people they have a individual car, they have an individual vehicle over there, and they come out from their house with the help of their individual vehicle. So if the car will run or another vehicle will run on the road, so they emit pollution in the air. So that pollution it convert to the smog that time. And we still using CNG, petrol, diesel also. So government is taking the action on that petrol engine, everything, and they are switching the vehicle into the electric vehicle. But it's not properly reach till to the earth. It's working on, but if it will be fully work, na, so pollution can easily reduce. So it is happening by the using of more vehicle. And the second thing is food contamination. It is happen with the food because when we go outside, we try to have the outside food. People are most they have a fantasy to having the outside food. So this is why people they don't cover their food, and there are more chances to contaminated fruit outside, and people have it outside food, they get ill by having the outside food. So we here to focus in two, three things. We just need to try to have the inside food, which is making, preparing by the clean hand and by our parents, mothers, our families with the full affection, with a positive thinking. So that definitely will be healthy for us. And the last is the water pollution. It is happening. We are should be sensible. So by caring careless, we are throwing the garbage here and there. There's no particular site, particular place we throw. We throw everywhere, whether it is the water, whether it is the outside. So we just should be the sensible. We are Indian, so we should be save our country, our Mother Earth, and this is our duty to save our Mother Earth. And government has taken action. They have a morning vehicle which comes around the house, and they take that garbage from our house. So we have to follow that rule and regulation, and we have to throw that garbage on the facilities cab or vehicle. So this is the action which is taken by the government. So all things if we will follow, so slowly and gradually it will be reduced. So definitely it was my perception.
Yes,
Thank you.
ma'am. It's totally agree with you. Like it's I had already seen like everywhere is pollution is becoming a vast because people are aware. Sometimes people are aware. Somewhere people are not aware. They are just thinking like whatever the garbage they are throwing anywhere, and they are sometimes people are burning the garbage and they are using the plastic. We don't use the plastic thing because if we are using consuming the plastic thing, so that is also when they are we are burning the plastic. So from that we are getting emission toxic gases from there. So from the toxic gases we are breathing of the toxic gases, so definitely our lungs will be affected, our
Mm.
body will be affected. So in that way like air pollution is going on. That is why like nowadays air pollution is growing. And we can say about water, it's a water pollution, water contamination. Water contamination is happen because of that like people are they are going some kind of like blaze some kind of river they are going. They are just going for the visiting purpose, they are just going for the darshan, it's visiting, right? So they are going there and they are just you throw it, all the thing like some flowers they are just throwing there. So in that way like water is also polluted, water is also contaminated, and they are
Mm.
doing worship over there. And whatever the things they are getting, they just throw it over there. They not think about like their river, their Ganga river, Narmada river, that way like it's contaminated of water. And whatever the water is contaminated, that is also coming on our tap, like whatever the tap water we are using, so that is also coming from the river na water. So I think we everyone should avoid that kind of thing. That way we can reduce the water pollution. And we can say about one more thing about the food pollution. Pollution is also increases because of the nowadays people are like who are farming, so they are just using the chemicals and pesticides they are using. So in that, in order to they just growing the their crop, but they are not thinking about the people like they are consuming the this food or crop. So like they are feeding all the thing, this is the pesticide use. Nowadays we are using some fruits, good fruits and everything we are using. Everywhere they are using the chemical. They just storage in a one place and they are just spraying the pesticide over there for growing and for holding a long time. By that way like food is going to be like pollution, poisoner. Food is poison for us, like we are consuming more and more food. In that way our body is like a beak, our body is becoming a beak. And our stamina, our immune system is also become a weaker. So we have to just I think government should take the action for that. If government will take the action, so definitely food like who are using the pesticide and who are using the
Mm.
chemicals for any kind of food making, some packaging food also they
Mm.
are also putting their chemical. So by that way like we are consuming lots of chemical food in our body. So like people are facing like in their life loss, premature life, they are losing their life and they are getting lots of diseases for that. So I think nowadays in that way like everything is like water pollution, air pollution and food poison, it's becoming a vast nowadays. So I would definitely say like we have to control over that. It's our duty, and government is also have a take the good action of that. So what would you say about Poonam ma'am?
And
Yes, yes, yes,
And
Meenakshi
sorry
ma'am.
for cutting you here.
Yeah.
I want to add one more pollution, which is soil pollution. It happens with the garbage throwing in the like not garbage. It happens with the unnecessary single plastic using
Yeah.
uses of single plastic. So when the plastic, it will not be diminished from the soil. It will be stay in the soil, and it by the using of the single use plastic, na, our soil is getting uh, unfertilized, and
Yes.
we are not able to fertilize proper food, proper plantation. We will not be do it in future also, because one uh, one examination has happened with the by the Sadguru. So Sadguru
Okay.
had one what we can say. He went over the bike ride, and uh, he taken the he taken the, like, what we say, what we do, what we go for. I forget that word. He went
Examine.
examine. Yeah, he has
Examine.
examined that the soil, what is the quality of the soil. So he have seen that the our soil is not much getting produce the fertilizer, because by the using of the plastics. So so in the future he has given his preview that our soil is getting worse, and in future we will not be able to produce the food plantation. So
Yeah.
we have to save here our soil. So the single plastic, we should be it should be banned by the government, but government has taken action before that. But our public, they don't follow that rule and regulation. They still use plastics. So government can't do anything if people will not
Yes.
aware about it. So first we just need to aware. We have to use our carry bags, house carry bags, and we just need to put that vegetable in a carry bag, which is jute carry bag,
Paper
or
bag.
other carry bag can be happen,
Yes.
cloth carry bag. So we should be focused here, and then after that government is will be able to, it will be able to the action about the soil contamination, soil pollution. This is
Yes.
the
Yes.
last point, which is I forget to
Yeah.
speak
Yeah.
about.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Poonam ma'am, what would you say about that?
We are discussing about water, air, and food. These all are comes from nature. If we protect our nature, so definitely we can reduce our pollution level, and also reduce the poisonous in food also. So one by one, I let you know about all the process, how it's become poisonous or getting pollution more and more. And according to me, we are responsible for all this scenario. So first, if I'm talking about the air, we can't breathe without air. So air is important part in our life. But what we are doing nowadays, we are doing more, we are using more and more vehicles. You can see everywhere, in every house, there is no single one car. They have multiple cars, more than 2 to 3 cars. Even though they want to go outside on only just 4 to 5 kilometers, they can't prefer to go by walk or using a cycle. It's good for their health also. They are using their cars, and from the cars smoke comes out and it spread our environment. It's also harmful our environment. First thing is that. Second, every festival, because India is a diversity, we have our, where we are living, diversity is available. So we celebrate every festival. So especially I'm talking about the Diwali. On the Diwali, we burst numerous crackers, even though our government also, every time they announce that don't burst the crackers. And after the Diwali, you can see the scenario. Schools are closed, schools everywhere, school closed, older age and especially child and old age person, they are getting harm. They are more, affected. Why? Because we can't listen our government. So we are responsible for air pollution also. Second, water pollution. Water pollution, water is also, gifts from the nature. We are blessed. We are living where we have a multiple rivers, mountains, Ganga, Himalayas, big rivers. in India. But what we are doing, if I'm talking about the villages, there, the villagers, what they are doing, same in rivers, where they get the water for using their utensils and drinking water. They also there, they wash their clothes, bathing animals, and polluted the water bodies. And what we are doing in our cities, we, especially on the summer vacations, we preferred mountains. On winter vacation, we prefer beaches. So what we are doing, we go there and just using wrappers, using snacks like chips, uh, Pepsi, any kind of soft drinks, and just we throw all this garbage into the water bodies, beaches sides. So our water bodies is also harmful. Nowadays, you can see water is too much polluted. Even though we can't drink MCD water, why? Because we more polluted our waters. Third is food. Food is also comes from the nature. And what we do nowadays, especially vegetables who grow the vegetables, farmers. I'm talking about the farmers. They, injected all the vegetables, and they, because they want to sell more and more. So chemical, they using chemicals and grow more and more vegetables. What is the source of fertilization? No source. They are using chemicals. They are not using cow dung. They are using harmful chemicals. It's affected our soil erosion, right? So this is also not good, so that our plants, it's not growing and not fertilized. Why? Because our farmers not given very good amount of food for the plants, what they need. So, and I agree to Meenakshi also, that plastic is also main cause of the soil erosion. Because if our soil is not fertilized properly, how the plant grow and how we can survive here?
Right.
And according to me, main reason is deforestation. We cut more and more trees because of we want to luxurious life, we want to lavish life, big house, big infrastructure. So we need more and more woods. So woods come from the trees. And also we are responsible, we are actually, snatching the house, wild animals house, because forest is the house of wild animals, and we are more and more cut trees. And now you can hear the news about that one elephant, one tiger seen in the city whole midnight. Why? Because we are affecting their lives, we are interference their life. So according to me, we are responsible all of this. So this is my perception.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I can say we, as well as the industrialists also are, we can blame to them. We
Yeah,
can't blame.
where I am staying, there is a
Hmm.
multiple, commercial
Hmm.
commercial factories is running.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah.
Where is the government? Why they cannot ban it? There is a residential area, but commercial factories is also going on, and
Hmm.
from the factories, smoke comes out,
Hmm.
and it spread our environment. It's affected our environment, but government can't take action. At least if they can take action, but some of our officers, they take bribe.
Even
That is my thing.
all the waste material also, it goes to the water body also. They contaminating, they just polluted to the water body also. So we should keep clean our water body, and it's there and our duty also. We should not immerse any kind of the ideals in those water body, because by the taking the water, we are living a life. So water is very important role, playing important role in our life. So we should not be polluted first. And if you have an ideal, so we should just dump, or we should mix in our plantation. We have inside the in-house the small plantation in the soil. We can just dump, we can just mix in the soil also, because if we have an ideal in which made from the soil, na, it easily can immerse in the plantation, in the soil of the plantation. So we should not just go outside to immerse to those kind of ideals. We three also do these kind of activities because I don't want to do. I have seen my in-laws. They have a perception. They have a rule regulation. They always say just go and immerse that ideal in the water body. And I try to prevent myself that I will not immerse. I will do some other thing. I can dump on the dustbin also because until unless they will go to dustbin. Definitely.
Yes.
So for myself, I will start to this kind of activity. I will just dump on the dustbin instead of that dump in the river. So this kind of
Yeah.
activity we should just keep awareness. We should be have awareness. And if our parents, our elders, they give us some kind of advice, so we should make learn these kind of things. We should be aware to our parents, our elders. This is the time to awareness. We have to take this responsibility now. If we will not take, so we can't have a single drop of water, we can't have a fruit. So this is first our duty. Another duty is they we can left on them. So this is first duty start from us.
Yes, yes. Like
Definitely.
I have also already seen. I have seen one thing. I think in Bhopal is also one polluted area
I
was there.
also heard, yeah, I
Yeah,
also heard the
there is a
news. The
one study, right?
baby, 6 month baby died due to the polluted water. Her
Yeah.
mother, mix up the powder
Yes,
milk
yes, yes.
at the that MCD tap water, and
Yeah.
she just feed that baby, 6 month baby. So after that, that baby had a loose motion and she hospitalized. But after that, she no more.
No more. Yeah.
Yeah,
Like
I
before
heard the
that,
news.
yeah, one news also already running nowadays. Like in Indore is also a contaminated water. One
Yeah.
pipeline has burst. So like this is also the good. Like people have to be aware of that. Like if you are getting from your tap. Contaminated water, so you just aware and you don't take this water. Why you are using the water, and you have to complain to the municipal party, like whatever your government is there, so you have to try to do it. But they are also reaching of that, but I don't know what is happening. They are not taking the action. So for 24 kids were died by that, like by this incident happened. So I think people should be
But this
aware.
is going on everywhere. In Delhi
Yeah.
also problem. Greater Noida and Delhi NCR, everywhere the water pollution is problem going on.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
And all things come for the production. So if more production will be there, so more consumption will be there. So first we should save our water, light, everything we should save. If we will keep save, so definitely we will get in future easily. Otherwise we will not get easily.
But
It will be
nowadays,
difficult.
yeah, nowadays people are not aware. They are just consuming the light, they are just open the light and turn. They are forgetting to turn off the light. Nowadays, people are using the, like, this is the good way to use the solar light. So in that way,
Solar
like
panel.
solar
Yes.
panel. So from that they can also uh, they can also reduce the pollution by the
Yes.
it's kind of
Hmm.
yeah, like some kind of
Yeah,
toxic
because
yeah.
actually the light come from the using of coal. By the using
Yeah.
of coal, they are producing light, and by the coal they goes
Reduce.
into the air, and it
Yeah.
Generate the what we say
carbon
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 dioxide,
carbon
carbon
oxide we
dioxide,
are
carbon
just taking.
monoxide, carbon dioxide. If we will not use of the coal, we will go switch it to the solar panel, so that emission will not be there, will not be
Yes, yes.
happen. So it slowly and gradually switching to the solar panel because everywhere is not kept the solar panel. It is just working on. So this
Yes, yes.
process is going on. But the another thing I was telling, I want to tell that. I forget what I wanted to tell,
Yeah,
but
so
I
we will
will
move on
see.
the next question.
Yeah, sure.
So next question is the which is dangerous, like air pollution, water pollution, or food pollution? What would you say
We
about that?
can't,
Like which is
yeah, we can't
the
judge
most?
and we
Yeah.
Uh, we can't judge and we cannot particular say that only air pollution is harmful
Yes.
or only food. These all are affected our, day-to-day life and our environment. So these all are responsible, but uh, we cannot say these are responsible. We are responsible, and we can reduce this all disease. Earlier I
Yes,
told
yes.
you that you can see that if I'm talking about the air pollution, uh, less use vehicles. Why we are using all time car? Because we
Yeah.
are using petrol and diesel, and these petrol and diesels have a too much smokes, bad smokes. This is affected our lungs. So why we are using all this? Last month in Delhi, our government totally banned all the vehicles for 10 days. And
Okay.
what happened? Within a 10 days, air quality was better.
Okay.
So this is our responsibility for, and grow more and more plants. If you have a doesn't matter big or small balconies, whatever you have a size of balcony, grow more and more plants.
Yes.
Everywhere you can do simple steps you can do in your life, and you can reduce your water body, your environment. You can reduce these all problems,
But
according to
I
me.
think like initially, first is the air pollution is most affected, because when you whatever the air we are breathing, so that if you first we have to reduce that, because if like air will be reduced, then we will take the breathe na, like when we are not we are here for breathing the air. If we are
Yeah.
breathing a good air, so definitely we are getting good food. If we are not breathing good air, so how will you take a good food, how will you take a good water? So for that purpose, I think first we have to
Air.
reduce the air, like air pollution, because
Yeah.
by for the air pollution we have to use the carpooling. We have to try to use the carpooling, and try to use the public vehicle. If you are going somewhere, so you have to try to
Yeah.
use public vehicle,
We
avoid, yeah,
we have a
instant.
metro. We have a in Delhi there
Yes.
is every step metro available.
Yeah.
So why you cannot use it? Nowadays electric bus is going on,
Yes.
fully AC. So
So
government provide a very extra facilities. But if you are talking about, according to you, Preeti, if you are saying that air is first reason, reduce the first, our priority is air pollution to reduce. But according to me, if you already heard the news about the water. If you have a good air quality, but what about the water? If you not consuming good water, how to survive?
yeah, it's I think all aspect is important, but first we have to good air. If we are getting good air, then we will think about the water. Because if we are consuming a bad air, and we are not consuming a good air, so how will you drink the water? Because then we will next step of the every aspect is important. I totally agree with that. Like if we have to reduce all the pollution, air pollution, water pollution, and food pollution. By that way, like we can get a good and healthy life, and we can give the good future of our children also. Because if we are not using good food, so like whatever the food we are consuming, that food we are also giving our children na, so like they are also not growing their life. If we are using contaminated water, we are using polluted food, like chemical food we are using. So whatever the food we are consuming, that is also we are giving to our children. So that way they are also not growing up, and they are also not giving we are not giving good life to them. Nowadays we had seen like many children are getting like diseased like very early age. They are affected by a very early age with the diseases. Because of that, they are not getting good food. They are just using the like everywhere you can see they are just adulteration. They are using the adulteration everywhere. Like you can bring like any milk, so they are also using the adulteration in the milk. So in that way, like we are not consuming a good food, quality food. So that is why like we have to definitely we have to follow all the aspect, because if we are not following all the aspects, so we how will you reduce the pollution? So we have to reduce everywhere pollution. It's water pollution, food pollution, and what can say, it's air pollution. Everywhere we have to reduce. So it's our responsibility, and government has also taken the taken the action, I think so. Yeah.
And I want to add something here. Sorry to cutting you here.
Yeah, yeah,
Sorry,
it's
very
okay.
sorry. So, as Preeti said, the big reason is the air pollution. So, yes, I definitely say the big reason is air pollution. If air quality is not good, and by the bad quality of air, rain will not be happen. So, rain always will be happen if air is clean, and we don't have a we are pollution free, so automatically air will come, the cloud will be uh, keep remain, and automatically rain will be happen if we have a good rain, and we have a good water body also. We can have a more lake over there, because I've seen in Bangalore that as rain will happen less, so they get dry that
Hmm.
time.
Yes.
If air quality is good, it will be good. So automatically that lake will be go on high side.
Yeah.
And if lake is go on high side, so automatically we will get in our whole for our house a good quality of water. So here the big problem is the water. We don't have a good facility of water in the Bangalore. They take water from their lake, and we have a big lake at Mysore, which name is Kaveri, or I forgot that name. That lake, we Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, they take water from the same lake, and from that lake, if they are sometimes they do fight with each other for the water only. So if rain will not happen every time, so how they will get water properly? They always start to fighting to each other. So first air quality, it will be good, so air will be come on time, and we will get a good quality of water. So that's why air quality is the big reason, a big it should be the first reason. It should be clear first, air quality, otherwise the all two things will be remain behind of this.
But according to me, water body is important. Why? Because you know what is the cycle of rain? How to
Hmm.
rain comes? If your water body is clean, you know
Hmm.
how to water rain comes. It's a cycle.
Hmm.
First, they observe the atmosphere. They goes into the
Hmm.
rivers and lakes, take the
Hmm.
water into drop forms. Then clouds. They make the clouds. Then after that, they come from the earth form of the rain. So these
Yeah.
all the cycle of the rain. But if your water body is polluted, okay,
Hmm.
and if you have there is any state or cities example, there is no rain,
Hmm.
only just how air quality is good. In Delhi, when Diwali times, at that time burst numerous crackers. So
Hmm.
everybody wished that please God, do rain, do rain.
Hmm.
Why? Because if rain comes, so definitely our air quality is good, our air is good.
Yes.
That type of smoke on the clouds, on the sky, that at that time they went away on the
Hmm.
month of October I'm talking about.
Hmm.
So if your water body is not polluted, if your water body is cleaned, and so after that rain come and your air quality become good. First,
Yeah.
how you can clean your air quality? How you can do it? If your water body is not clean, and even suppose air quality is good, but how you can survive? Only just air you can survive? No, without food you can't survive. Third step, I just keep food on the last step. First is water, second is air, and third is food. Because if our water body is cleaned, so rain automatically come and our environment air pollution will away. Third is food. If our water body is cleaned, air quality is clean, so soil erosion is also, our soil is fertilized because more rain, because you can see in the Rajasthan, it's desert area, there is least rain, so they wanted if rain will come. So if
Hmm.
rain will not come, plants will never grow. So
But
according to
there in
me,
Rajasthan, if you have seen that in Rajasthan, not much pollution over there. Have
why?
you seen? So why? Because they have a good quality of air. That time, that place, that of quality of air is better. And if I compare to Delhi, another place also, there are bad quality of air. And you
Why?
know that in Bangalore, yeah, why?
This is the reason behind, because
So
in Delhi
does
there
it?
is a multiple, there is a numerous, factories is here. If I'm talking about the Gurgaon,
Industrial
Noida,
area.
these are
Sorry for interrupt
industrial
you, ma'am.
area.
Actually, this is the industrial area. There is the
Yes,
pollution because
agree.
there is the public is
Yeah,
rather than like Rajasthan, population is more than in Delhi.
more than, yeah,
Yeah,
Delhi.
that is why
Yes,
population where like definitely where population is more,
population is
so
population
definitely
is more in Delhi, more industrial areas, more
areas.
industrial companies is there here,
That is why.
everything is there. So
No,
why
no,
Delhi is
actually,
not
I have
polluted?
seen that. Actually, what I have seen in Bangalore, no, so I'm saying like this because I've seen the many lake has dried here, and after rain was not there, till the 4 5 months. But when the weather has settled down, because if I compare the other cities also, na, their impact came here in Bangalore. So the environment was cloudy that time, and after that rain has started, and they already filled. After that, all lakes has filled with the water.
Yes.
Okay, so it's not like that if a water body will be there, so automatically
I
rain will
think
come. No,
I think all aspect is important. Like water pollution and like it's not we can't say like justify. It's one pollution like air pollution is most affected. Every aspect is important. Like if water pollution, food pollution, and air
Yeah.
pollution. Every aspect because
And
we
we
are
also cannot survive. We can't
survive.
survive without
Yes.
air, food,
of
and
course, we can't
Yes.
survive
third is,
without water, without food, because we need shelter, we need food, and we need houses.
everything
Without
is
that,
Everything
important.
we need.
yeah.
And it's our
Hmm.
responsibility to reduce this kind of
Yes.
pollution. This
Yeah.
is only our hand. Government can't do anything. It's our responsibility.
First is individual responsibility of ours. So second is the basis of the
Okay.
others, like industries. Yeah.
Sorry for interrupt you. Actually, one more question, then we will wind up this session. So, I
Okay.
ask one question also. What is your opinion about that? Who is the most responsible for environment damage? Like, are we are responsible first, or like government will be more responsible for that? What is the
We are
action?
responsible.
We are responsible, and so
Yes.
what government have the take the decision, like what government have take action about that. So what would you say about that, like what government should take some kind of action, so what action they should take, what about that?
So I can say, so three things who is responsible. Like first is the individual us, second is the government, and third is the corporation. They are doing work that industrialist their activity. They are dropping their wastage in the water. So we all three are responsible. So first thing started from us, then government, then the other second of the stakeholder, like the corporation, their company,
What
which runs
gov
industry.
Okay. Okay. So what government have take the action for that? What do you think like government should take some action? So what kind of action government have to take for that, for reducing all
Every
the
time
pollution?
government is taking action, but we are not listen and follow the government rules. Government every year said don't burst the crackers. It's harmful. Don't
Yes.
do this. But we are doing same thing we are doing. They are, give the notice to the industrial companies that don't burn and damage these type of plastics or smokes. Please, set up your industrial areas away from the residential
City.
area. But
Yes.
they are not, yeah, they are not agree. They are illegally doing their work. I'm talking about
Right.
my house near there is multiple industrial companies is working, and they can't follow the rules what the government already instructed and saying every day to day time, but nobody want to follow the rules, and they are doing illegally work. So they have, I think they know that we can do give the bribe, and they are doing continue their jobs. So they are not responsible, you can say. They are not they don't want to take responsibility. They just want to earn, and they're doing their business. That's it. This is the mindset of nowadays people.
Okay, so I think conclusion is that like we are responsible for the
Yes.
polluted environment. So like we
Yes.
have to be aware for that. Definitely,
Yeah.
if we are aware, we will we will take a one step first. Then we will
Yeah.
give to others. Like we are not taking
Yeah.
the steps. So how will you reduce the pollution, air pollution, water pollution, and food pollution?
Yeah. This is
Because
first our
yeah.
responsibility.
So I totally agree with
Step.
you.
I will say that we are responsible. Second is the government should take action on the industries. They should apply some kind of the penalty to the industries also.
Yes.
And the third, the government they should stop the unnecessary uses of the plastics. So these kind of following, we can save our Mother Earth from the pollution.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Because first priority, I think first we have to be responsible for that. We have to take the action.
Exactly.
Then we can suggest to other like you have to follow that action. Because in Indore, like when everyone is seeing to other, if they are throwing the garbage in on the road, so they just take the action. Don't throw the garbage on the road. It's your responsibility. If you clean your place, so your city automatically will be clean. So I think everyone should be aware of that. We are responsible for reducing all kind of pollution. So thank you so much for a wonderful conversation, and for my viewer, they can like see how we can reduce our pollution, and we have to take the action of that about the
Yeah.
pollution. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for wonderful conversation. Thank you.
Thank you, Gopi. Thank
So
you.
now I'm
Thank
winding
you.
up
It's
this
my
session. Yeah.
pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.